Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Alright, so for all those people that has an Audi and it doesn't have the dipstick to check your oil level, everything is computer, but sometimes you can't trust what the computer say. I'm gonna put the link so you can get yourself one of these dipstick. So here's the actual cover that comes with the car. You're gonna pop that out. You're gonna put your new dipstick in here. As you can see, it comes with the little clips, so it stay in. I'm gonna pull it out. Check the oil before we change it. As you can see, this oil, where are you? Right here. As you can see, this oil is low. That's why you can't trust the computer. So it's low. I'm gonna check it again. Should go just like that. See that? It doesn't move. Pull it right out. And yep, it's low. So it's right where it say add. Or it said minimum. Sorry. This is a maximum. Can't really see it, but well, right here it said maximum, and then you want to be between maximum up here, or you want to be at least between right here, minimum and maximum. You can't be below on the minimum. So it said minimum right now. That's why we're gonna do a tune-up and do oil change, and that should take care of this problem. And now we can just check the oil whenever we want to, instead of waiting for the computer to tell us how low is the oil, which is not accurate. Alright, so here we just change the oil. This one was up to here. So right now all the oil that I took out, it's up to here right now. So that's why it was low. Now after you change the oil, you turn it on 30 seconds, shut it back off, and then you check your level. So the first time you take it out, you gotta clean it, and you stick it in fresh. Pull it out. You can't really see, but you gotta take my word for it. It's right a little bit above where it said maximum. So that's perfect. So we put the whole gallon, 5 quart, and that did it. That's the oil right there. And you can see the level right there. So that's why this thing was low. So now it's good. I actually like this oil dipstick. Clip right on, right there. Perfect. All right, see you in the next one.